Hello students, this is your second chapter for revision from geography, and your second chapter is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Let's have a quick recap of this chapter. Land, out of 100%, 30% is habitated, and mainly they are habitated in which regions? River valleys and plains, because they are suitable for agriculture. 70% are sparsely populated, so it includes the land types that are rugged topography, steep slopes, low lying areas, deserted regions and thick forested areas. So these areas are sparsely populated. Now land use. Land is used for different purposes like agriculture, forestry, mining, housing, roads and industries. Factors affecting land use. There are two: physical factors and human factors. Physical factors are relief, soil, climate, mineral and water. Human factors are population and technology. Land resources. Degradation, wearing away, growing population and increasing demand that causes the degradation of land. Large scale of destruction of forest, mainly it is being cleared off for the agricultural purpose and for the timber. Conservation, it is very much needed as land is constantly vanishing with the constant demand of the people. Now from what we have to conserve the land? Afforestation, land reclamation, restricted use of chemical pesticide, fertilizers, check on overgrazing. This has to be looked after. You can see the soil profile. The top part, top soil with humus and vegetations. Under that the subsoil with sand, silt and clay. Nextly, under that we are having weathered rocks materials. Then at the bottom, that is parent rocks. So factors of soil formations are parent rock, relief, flora, fauna and microorganism, time, climate. So parent rocks determines color, texture, chemical properties, mineral content. So that is called as permeability. Relief, altitude and slope determines accumulation of soil. On what height it is being present, this soil. Flora and fauna and microorganism affect the rate of humus formation over here. Time, that determines the thickness of soil profile. Climate, temperature, rainfall, influence, rate of weathering and as well as humus. Soil in India. So there are various kind of soil found in, various type of soil found in India. That is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. Degradation and conservation of soil. Now reasons for degradation, that is deforestation, cutting down of the trees, overgrazing by the cattle, pesticide and fertilizer are being used. Then rain wash, the upper layer of the soil is being washed off as there is no much vegetation cover. Landslides, again vegetation covers are less, and because of the rain landslides occur. Floods. Now conservation methods, there are different methods like mulching, contour barriers, rock dam, terrace farming, intercropping, contour plowing, shelter belts. These are the various way and methods to conserve the soil. Water. Water covers 3/4 of the earth's surface. So it is called as water planet or blue planet. Ocean water is saline, so it is not fit for the human consumption. Fresh water is only available at 2.7%, which occurs as ice sheet and glacier. So 1% of fresh water fit for human use, and where it is found? That is found in groundwater, as surface water in river and lakes, and water vapor in atmosphere. Water is in constant motion through the process of evaporation, condensation and precipitation, the water cycle. This we have already learnt in detail in our videos. Uses, problems in conservation of water resources. Where are they being used? Water for agriculture, industries, irrigation, domestic works like drinking, washing, etc. Now problems. What are the problems for water resources? Shortage due to the urbanization, demand for food and cash crops. For cultivation the water is needed much. Rising standard of living, water scarcity due to exploitation and contamination of water sources. So these are the problems faced in the water resources. Pollution, due to the contamination of water by agriculture, chemical, industry effluents, the water are being polluted. Pollution can be controlled by treatment of effluent before it is discharged from industrial areas. So it could be treated properly before discharging it to the other water bodies or to the land. Conservation, water harvesting, rainwater harvesting. From the rooftop you have to just collect the water and direct it to the tank, which could be used for the future. So using lined canal to minimize loss, use of sprinklers, then drip or trickle irrigations, forest and other vegetation cover. So these are the many ways how we can conserve water. Natural vegetation and wildlife exist in the biosphere where living beings are dependent on each other. That is called as biosphere. Now the life supporting system is known as ecosystem because every living beings are interdependent to each other. This natural vegetations and wildlife. Vegetation, what does it provide? Timber, shelter to animal, gives oxygen, protects soils, act as shelter belts, fruit, oil, gum, paper and medicinal plants. So vegetation provide these many things to us. What does the wildlife provides and in what categories they are divided into? So wildlife are divided on the basis of animals, birds, insect and aquatic life. So they provide us milk, meat, hides, wool and honey. Distribution of natural vegetation. Areas with heavy rain would have huge and dense growth of trees. Areas with moderate rain, density decreases, ton trees and grasses are grown. So grasslands could be found over there. Areas with dry areas, thorny shrubs and scrubs, leaves have thorny and waxy surface. Areas with cold areas, mosses and lichens, that is the region called as tundra region. Classification of the forest, that is in evergreen and deciduous. Nextly it is subdivided into tropical and temperate. Conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Need for a conservation against forest fires, increase in population, deforestation, growing of crops, to protect the ecosystem, poaching, landslides, etc. So from this we have to conserve the natural vegetation and wildlife. So methods of conservation, that is national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves that is being set up for the animals and for the vegetation, animal, birds and vegetation. Awareness programs like social forestries and Vana Mahotsava. Awareness camp for children in the schools. Ban on cutting of trees and killing of animals by law. International convention. So this is the sites, it is called as sites where they are having the list of the bird and animals. If it is being traded illegally, they could be punished, and the animals and birds which are being in the condition of extinction. So here we start with our exercise. The first topic is land and land use. Mention the main reason why places differ from each other. That is quality of land, soil and climate. People is among the most important natural resources. Why is the distribution of population uneven in different parts of the world? It is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. Why is the distribution of population uneven in the different parts of the world? It is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. Give reason why plains and rivers valleys are the most densely populated areas of world. So plains and river valleys offer suitable land for agriculture. So they are densely populated. Fifth one, which natural areas are sparsely populated? Deserted area, thick forested area, that is thick, please correct it, THICK, rugged topography, etc. Now 90% of world population occupies only 30% of the land area. What percentage of the land is sparsely populated or uninhabited? So 70% of the land is sparsely populated or uninhabited. Define land use. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building, housing, road and setting up of industries. What are the physical and human factors that determines the use of land? Physical factors, that is topography, soil, climate, minerals and availability of water. Human factors, population and technology are also important determinants of land use pattern. In which two countries in the world is the percentage of cropland area the maximum? That is India and France. On what basis can land be divided into? Land can be divided on the basis of ownership as private land and community land. Give two main differences between the private land and community land. Private land is owned by individual, whereas community land is owned by the community for common uses like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs. By what other name are community land known as? So these community lands are also known as common property resources. What is the main reason for change in the land use pattern over a time? This is because of the cultural change in our society. Because of the expansion of agriculture and constructional activity, the environment is being threatened. What are the major threats? Land degradation, landslide, soil erosion and desertification. Next topic we are having conservation of land resources. The first question is mention the two main reasons for the destruction of forest cover and arable lands. So growing population and their ever growing demand. These are the main two reasons. Name some methods which can adopted to check the rate of land degradation. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers and checks on overgrazing. What are landslides? Landslides are simply defined as the mass movement of rock, debris or earth down a slope. Give some causes of landslides. They often take place in conjunction with earthquakes, floods and volcanoes. A prolonged spell of rainfall can also cause heavy landslide. How was the 200 meters stretch of Old Hindustan Tibet Road National Highway 22 damaged? A massive landslide hit Panji village near Rakong Pio in Kinnur district at Himachal Pradesh. Mention some broad mitigation technique of landslides, construction of retention wall, increase in vegetation, the surface drainage control. These are the few mitigation techniques. Next topic we are having is soil factors of soil formation. What is soil? The thin layer of the grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Now what is the composition of soil? Soil is made up of organic matter, mineral and weathered rock found on the earth. How is soil formed? Soil minerals form the basis of soil. They are produced from rocks through the process of weathering and natural erosion. Define weathering: the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals and human activity. What are the factors that determine soil formation? Major factors of soil formation include nature of the parent rock, climatic factor, topography, rock of organic material, time. All these differ from place to place. Degradation of soil and conservation measures. This is our next topic. First question. Name the type of soil found in India, that is alluvial, black, red, laterite, desertic and mountain soil. Which factor causes degradation of soil? Both human and natural factors can be a resource. What is soil conservation? The prevention or reduction of soil erosion and soil depletion by protective measures against water and wind damage. Mention at least 5 methods that can be adopted to conserve soil: mulching, contour barriers, rock dam, terrace farming and intercropping. Explain the 2 methods adopted for conservation of slopes on hill slopes. Terrace farming: broad flat steps or terrace are made on steep slopes so that flat surfaces are available to grow crops. They reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. Contour plowing: plowing parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope. For the next part of the exercise, stay tuned for the second part of video. Thank you.